So what happens if someone is arrested for alleged non-disclosure or the police show up asking questions? Remember the Be Brave card. You have the right to remain silent. Request a lawyer as soon as they've been charged with any crime. They obviously want to cooperate with the police, but the police are not their best friend. They're there to arrest your client or to gather evidence so that the prosecutor can build a case against them. So encourage them to be respectful, but that doesn't mean they should start talking. Wait till they have a lawyer. Have your client reach out to us for peer support and general tips. Remind them of the Get Help option on our website that gives them materials for a lawyer to help them understand the science of U equals U and build a stronger case. Then have your client start pulling together their treatment records, their medication history, any documents proving their disclosure, and get those to their attorney as soon as possible. Also, remember if they get arrested, they should get a new viral load test showing that they are undetectable so they have medical records as close to the date of the alleged act as possible. Then, by all means, remind your client not to resist arrest. I know they're going to be upset. This is not the time to resist arrest. It will only make matters worse. So tell them, be brave, be calm, breathe, everything will be okay. Other things not to do. Remind your clients they should not disclose their status unless a lawyer is present. They don't actually have to talk with law enforcement. The only thing they have to do is give identification and then say, I have nothing else to say until I speak with my lawyer. So they shouldn't say anything without first consulting a lawyer. They shouldn't consent to any medical tests, anything like that. That will come later. Let the cops do their job and formally request that information from their lawyer. And then by all means, they don't want to make matters worse. They should not contact the person who is or may be pressing charges against them. That is not going to help things go well. And then the last thing I like to remind people is cops are not your best friend. They can lie, and that's been upheld by the Supreme Court. Their job, again, is to make a case against your client, to build evidence against them. We don't want to make it easy for them. Keep their mouth shut and get a lawyer. So in closing, disclosure is the best practice when there's significant risk of transmission, when it's safe to do so, and when the information won't be used against your client. So now that you understand the law, you can explain it to your client. Make sure that if they do choose to disclose, that they document that disclosure. If it ain't written down, it didn't happen. And if they're arrested, keep their mouth shut. Thank you very much. Please join and follow our work. Scan this QR code. And if you have questions on the presentation, reach out to me. Here's my email. And again, check out our Get Help page on our website. Thank you.